Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. The bar counter in the kitchen has become a popular and functional addition to modern homes. This elevated and stylish feature not only adds extra counter space but also serves as a social hub, creating a seamless connection between the kitchen and the living or dining area. The bar counter is not just a practical element, it brings a touch of sophistication and versatility to the kitchen design. One of the primary benefits of a bar counter is its ability to facilitate interaction and socialization. As an extension of the kitchen countertop, the bar counter allows for a more relaxed and casual dining experience. It becomes a gathering spot where family and guests can sit, chat, and enjoy a drink or a meal while still being in close proximity to the culinary activities in the kitchen. This sense of togetherness makes the bar counter an ideal place for entertaining and hosting gatherings. In terms of design, bar counters come in various styles and materials, allowing homeowners to tailor them to their preferred aesthetics. A sleek and contemporary kitchen may feature a minimalist bar counter with clean lines and a polished surface, while a rustic or farmhouse-inspired kitchen may opt for a bar counter made from reclaimed wood with a distressed finish. The choice of materials, such as quartz, marble, granite, or butcher block, further influences the overall look and feel of the bar counter. Functionality is a key aspect of the bar counter. Besides serving as a dining area, it can also double as a breakfast nook or a workspace. Adding bar stools or counter-height chairs around the bar counter makes it a comfortable spot for quick meals or casual gatherings. Additionally, the bar counter can be utilized for meal prep or as an extra workspace when the kitchen gets busy. The bar counter also acts as a natural divider between the kitchen and the adjoining living or dining area, defining the space while maintaining an open and airy ambience. It enhances the flow of the kitchen and creates a visual connection between different areas of the home. For small kitchens, a bar counter can be a space-saving solution, replacing the need for a formal dining table and allowing for a more efficient use of square footage. In larger kitchens, a generously sized bar counter can accommodate more seating and become a focal point in the room. In conclusion, the bar counter in the kitchen is a multifunctional and design-savvy addition that brings a sense of openness, functionality, and social connectivity to the space. By combining practicality with aesthetics, the bar counter serves as a versatile hub for dining, entertaining, and socializing, making it a desirable feature in modern kitchen design. Whether integrated seamlessly with the kitchen countertops or standing out as a distinct element, the bar counter elevates the overall appeal and functionality of the kitchen while fostering a warm and inviting atmosphere for gatherings and daily interactions. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!